So let's play damages versus damages. Right? So to damage my work, to damage my life, to damage my face, what they had to do, they had to do viral the file first. Production. Right? These are production people, right? They have to viral the file and set a defamation from a clone and do the bank fraud, which they do. They have been doing from years, right? So let's play damages versus damages. Huh? They made the file viral, I give the copyright to the entire country. First, let us begin with this country. Then if I want to destroy, I heard that Netflix is in 190 countries and Amazon is in 200. I'll be called there in time, but let this country start their thing. What production has to offer to the entire country? The cunt which they sell from bank fraud to the entire country. So the entire country gonna have those cunt. You saw the population. Look, I want to see damages. My damages versus damages. I want to see damages. If production don't want their damages, seal the people from seal the houses. Let the government have those houses who are in the bank fraud and wherever the files went. Let the government seal those houses. They don't want to do it. So let's catch production then. Anyway, these people are going to get snatched very badly. The copyright is to the entire country. The files are encrypted. Our shooting footages are out there. The story is out there. My story. The damage story. They want to damage. And who are these? Prostitute children. Right? Now production says those are the children who are doing the prostitution, not their parents. Right? Are you sure? Okay. Anyways, parents are gonna get fucked for that too. For putting child into prostitution. I want to see damages. That's it. Look, my property damages been done. 3 years of damages. Now it can be never recovered. Each file makes 200 crore rupees. So 200 crore, yes, minimum. It's not recovered. It's damages. These are the damages. I want to see damages now. I want to see these fucking damages. Wherever the files went, wherever whoever are in those fake bank account transaction, seal their houses. Wherever the message planting has been done, I have to present this device only. This is the physical thing, but the clone thing. Clone has a different list. Who can catch that clone? So, I want to see damages, that's it. My damages are done. It's out in the open. It's out to the world. I want to see damages, nothing else. Let's play damage versus damages. Seal their houses. The production don't want to lose their money, don't want their artist face to be smashed. Look, everyone will find opportunity to smash those artist faces. That's what they did. And nudes will be made because police don't put people on nudes. They don't care if anyone's nudes are made. Make their nudes. Fucking bench. So the entire country production is gonna offer those cunts to the entire country from the bank fraud. That's the game is. Those cunt from the bank fraud, they are going to offer it to the entire country. And that's how the entire country cools down. Come on, no one in villages and all the, no one watches Netflix and Amazon. But they only one thing, that is called money, and copyright is to them too. First, let this country have this fun. Have their fun. Let this country people have their fun. Then I heard there are 200 countries Amazon run, Netflix run into 190 countries. I want to see damages. Look, word is out there, those are trillionaires and billionaires. Amazon is worth in trillion. And Netflix is in billion. 400 something, 500 somewhere. So that money belongs to the people of this country. The same way my files belong to this racket, scam racket. Right? My files belong to the scam racket, right? My property damaged, my face smashed, my nudes made. And who are these? These are prostitutes and trans hookers. Let this country have their fun first. Then there is more is coming. I want to see damages. That's it. Damage versus damages. Or seal their houses. Put them behind the bars. Why production is stopping them? Why production is stopping the police? Put them behind the bars. No, the entire country takes what it belongs to them. Let's see damages versus damages.